Quest accepted. Wait, where are we going? Alright guys, don't miss me too much. And Ezreal is victorious! Blast him, Gauntlet! Call me when the stakes are higher. Cool guys never look back at explosions. Gauntlet, let's clear a path. I don't care where here is. Just point me toward adventure. I'll make this look easy. I'm at my best when the world's on the brink of annihilation. I'm not even breaking a sweat. Name's Ezreal. E-Z... Oh, you're dead. Never act like victory is assured, even though it probably is. Now I'm here! Oh, a plan. Yeah, I totally have one of those. Sounds dangerous. I'm in. Tell me the odds. I dare you. The gauntlet's for show. The talent's all me. This is really worth 10 times the asking price. Time for a true display of skill. Time to show 'em who's best. Spoiler, it's me. When you've got talent, there's no such thing as a lucky shot. Who needs a map? You belong in a museum. Ha! 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 Quest accepted. Wait, where are we going?